Since 1953, Kamal Press Limited has been a leader in Bangladesh's printing and packaging industry. For over 60 years, we've built a legacy of excellence, meeting the diverse needs of individuals and organizations with our full-service approach to printing. At Kamal Press Limited, we offer extensive services, from graphic and layout design to the final production stages. Our products include brochures, forms, folding cartons and boxes, DS leaflets, labels, literature, posters, and promotional materials, all available in black and white and full color. Our commitment to excellence. Transforming clean paper into a polished final product is a meticulous process that demands precision and expertise. Our journey begins with expert design and layout and precision printing on premium materials. The printed sheets are then meticulously processed through cutting, folding, and assembly, ensuring a flawless finish for medicine boxes, leaflets, and promotional items. Our state-of-the-art machinery reinforces our commitment to top-quality production. From the precision of Kamal presses to the efficiency of Bobston Original Heidelberg, our equipment allows us to handle projects of any scale with unmatched speed and quality. Whether you need printing services on a one-time or regular basis, we're ready to collaborate and exceed your expectations. Kamal Press Limited goes beyond just business. We care for our environment and team. Our eco-friendly premises include vegetable gardens, fruit trees, pet chickens, and ducks. We even have a large pond where we farm fish, which we share with our employees to promote community and well-being. Our dedication to our team and clients extends to their comfort. We offer employees a spacious kitchen, dining area, and VIP hall for our esteemed clients, providing a welcoming atmosphere for meetings and engagements. A dedicated doctor staffs our on-site healthcare room for any medical emergencies. At Kamal Press Limited, we are committed to delivering value, quality, and personalized service. Join our family of ecstatic clients and experience the Kamal Press Limited difference.